Alrighty guys, young mechanics, hear me out real good. Now y'all know I'm a big proponent of saving money on tools. However, like I said before, some tools need to be professional and some can afford to not be professional. For instance, here I am doing this O2 sensor. Now, it looks like, actually it is on pretty tight. This is the original. This car got 150,000 miles on it. Guys, my little Craftsman wrench, all right, this is not even Sears Craftsman. This is Lowe's Craftsman. There's a different. The old Sears store sold real Craftsman tools. The new Lowe's Craftsman, garbage. You might as well go to Harbor Freight. Well, anyway, this thing feel like it's about to round off. It's too slack. Now, but that's a 7.8. Now, everybody know that the closest thing to 78 and dealing with O2 sensors is actually 22 millimeter. All right, I got a 22 millimeter. But the thing with that, you take away leverage. It's not long, all right, and I can't. And it feel like it's about to round off. All right, the O2 sensor is partially disintegrating. All right, so plan B. Y'all know the tool, the socket tool that everybody own and use. Yeah, I got my own, right? But guess what? Mine is not professional. Okay, so even with a socket on this thing, just say like that, got the socket on there. Even when I'm getting ready to go up, it feel like it's about to round off, guys. See that? It's flexing too much. You can actually see it's flexing, and this is a 7.8, so technically, look how much. That's too much play, guys. Now, don't buy O2 sensor socket from places like Harbor Freight, Northern, or anything like that. You might have to get on the truck to get a high quality. It's all about the steel, guys. If these places use real good steel to make their tools, yeah, it would be similar to the pros. But however, this rinky-dink ass thing is not cut out for this. So I had to go to plan B. Y'all know what plan B is? Yeah, I had to utilize one of my 3-time toolbar in. This is my buddies. All right, I had to go. I know I'm JT the car guy and all, but can I borrow your 3-piece oxygen sensor socket set? Guys, this is, I know it's Mako. They all the same. Mako, Snap-on, Mac. All of those guys use high quality tool, and this is freaking nice. All right. And I don't want to believe that I'm the first one to use this, but it do look fairly new. Here's my point, guys. Like I said earlier, you cannot always buy Harbor Freight stuff. The basics, you get the basics from Harbor Freight. Now, the way that feel, it don't look like it's going to just stretch. All right, it's made of that good material. All right, so it says 7.8 slash, what is that? 7.8 slash 22 millimeter. So yeah, it's the right side. I don't know what this one for. Oh, same thing. It just longer. If you don't have to go long, don't go. You know what I mean by length, because the longer it becomes, the more flexing it can do. And it all depends on the area you're in and how much room you got. This is the regular socket with the slit in it. If you plan on saving the sensor, if you don't plan on reusing the sensor, guys, just snip it off and use a typical 7.8, real good 7.8 socket. Okay. Yeah, that's always an option. Normally, if you're taking an O2 sensor off, you're getting ready to replace it, right? Right, but if you're gonna keep it, you're gonna need one of these so you can save the wiring. All right, so let me set up to get this on. All right, let's get this set up right here. Damn it, this O2 sensor is coming off. Let's get it. All right, got a good bite on it. It don't feel like a lot of play. So now what I'm gonna do is leverage my tool in my hand and give it one good. Woo! Yes. There we go, guys. That damn cheap ass socket tool I had earlier just about to go round and round and round. All right, so here's the moral of the story. Quality tools are very much needed depending on what job you're doing. Shout out to my buddy. I don't want to call his name out, but I only used this once, so I got 2 more chances. But I'm gonna catch the we don't have a Mako guy, so I'm gonna catch the Snap-on guy. I just simply buy me one, guys. Guys, if you're a mechanic and you plan on doing this for a living, buy the damn tools you need. Okay. Yes, you don't really know what you need until you really need it. Yeah, I got O2 sensor sockets laying all over the place, but none of them as strong as this. Okay, so as you progress in your automotive career, try to get quality stuff so you won't have to yeah, so you won't have to deal with this kind of mess. All right, man, that's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in.